Hi guys, welcome back to Seven Bloodfire Art and Story. My name is Cynthia McCracken and I'm an artist, a writer, and I also dabble in a bunch of random and weird or silly things. I like to give advice and inspire other writers and artists, and I also enjoy running around acting like a crazy caffeinated person and embarrassing my friends and family. So, yes. Today I'm going to be talking about some crazy helpful stuff that you can use to help streamline and track your writing. And if you're an artist too, like me, then also your processes for your projects. I'm talking about a very visual and easy way to make an editorial calendar that pretty much serves as one of the most inspiring and time-saving ways to get things done that I have found to date. Writers often have mountains of papers or mazes of saved files and web pages when it comes to developing or editing different aspects of their books or creating their own workable workflow. Every system is different, and what often works for one writer does not work for another. I could go on for hours explaining how I overcame some of the most difficult parts of streamlining my processes and creating or centralizing my locations for files, to-do lists, notes, and other things for all of my writing and art. But I think what I'll do is I will just dive in and show you what I started doing instead. Kanban-based systems can help improve the workflow. There are many types of apps and programs out there, as well as physical products which use this technique, but for ease of demonstration, I'll just be using Trello. It's reliable and free for most of its functions, and it also has a web page version and a widget version. You can attach card covers, checklists, files, colored labels that will have words on them or not, depending on what you put on there, links, pictures, due dates, and a lot more. And by using extra power-ups, more features do become available. Here is my personal editorial calendar, which organizes my workflow for blog posts, book writing, video creation, and media. The major sections I use are board rules, which includes these, drafting, which includes these lists here, revision, that'll include several lists, promo setup, marketing, and the calendar only view. Another important feature I added were template cards, each of which have their own sets of checklists. I have set rules on the board using an upgraded feature so that each new card added to the board automatically has these checklists added to it or removed from it when I drag it from one list to another. The board's rules section includes basic information, scheduling, and research on how to do things. Also included are some backlog lists from which I can choose new projects or repurpose or revamp old ones. The drafting section includes Trello Drafting, which uses other boards I've made in Trello that cover every aspect of novel writing, character information, research, and other parts of setup or tracking. The drafting list is where active projects are placed while they undergo their first drafts. Here I usually delete auto-added checklists I don't need. If it is a video project, I delete the book checklists. If it is a book or a blog project, I will delete the video checklists instead. The revision section begins with setup, where reference guides and style sheets are created and attached or linked to the card. The first template card resides here. I prefer keeping it here so that I can easily locate the correct template card and change whatever I need to on the checklist so that the future card moved here or added to the board will reflect those changed checklists. The various revision lists follow the checklists on the back of the card, which allows me to see at what stage of revision a project has reached. Structural edits, fact checking, galley edits, etc. Each project goes through multiple rounds, each round progressively more detailed until the alpha and beta stage of editing. Promo setup means creating packaging, concept, and finished art, merch designs, and more. This prepares title cards for videos, thumbnails for books and other items that will be promoted, photos for releases, and more. Marketing begins to overlap the promo setup before taking over entirely. It starts with the initial promo, which means drumming up excitement, posting about the official release dates, setting and writing about tours, and getting all other media posts written for cross-promotion ahead of time, which includes multiple variations of the same promos for the same items and even metadata and keywords and taglines for SEO or web search optimization. It saves time later and also ensures consistency of brand. Product testing can occur here as well, like ordering ARCs. Final formatting occurs here, and bit.ly links can be set if they're needed. When the product is done, it is moved to ready and set to publish to await the scheduled release date. Marketing fully takes over by the next card, media promotion. The OADs, or Tweet One a Days card, allows for one-click, one-post promotions for saved time and variation in your tweets if you use Twitter, although some writers or marketers use an automated media posting tool. The way I have it here is an excellent way to do that for free. I have not done a whole bunch of research yet into other free media posting tools, so this one has been working just fine for now. Promotions are also posted to all other outlets, including cross promotions, like your platforms that are driving traffic to your special Facebook groups that will also have posts about your web page on them. And then the card is moved forward. The promotion lists in the marketing section automatically remove the other auto-added checklists and attach their template cards checklists for easier flow. And as the projects move toward the end of the list, they can be set to a backlog after the calendar view only list or recirculated or reprocessed. If you enjoyed this video and would like more tips or entertainment from yours truly, hit the like and subscribe buttons. You can follow me under the social media handle at 7bloodfire on Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and Wattpad, or on my website, 7bloodfire.com. Don't forget to join my newsletter to stay up to date on the latest news and events. Below, I've provided links to various communities for indies and for fans of my Leviathan series, a link to some awesome new premium writers and editors shirts, links to my writing blog, and a link to my free writing tips book on Wattpad for writers who want to know where to start when it comes to improving at the craft. I've got art in the gallery on my website, which you can also enjoy. Please tell me in the comments about your processes, what you think could be done better, or if you think this editorial calendar thing is overthinking. How do you track your steps and work through your projects? This silly/serious weirdo looks forward to sharing more with you guys. I'll see you guys later.